friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making chocolate chip banana bread. What we need for this recipe is butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, 2 overripe bananas, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. So we're going to start off by melting a stick of butter. So I'm just going to put a stick of butter in a microwave safe dish and microwave it for about a minute or until melted. So I'll put it in the microwave. Now the butter is melted, so let's take this out of the microwave. And next I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. So let's add 3/4 cup of sugar to butter. And now I'm going to mix it until combined. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. So let's add 2 eggs. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix until combined. Next, I'm going to peel 2 overripe bananas and mash them. So just smash it with a fork. And once the banana is mashed, just mix everything together. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. So that's 1. And 2. And we also need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So sprinkle baking powder on top of the flour. And we need half a teaspoon of baking soda. So again, sprinkle it over the flour. And 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. And now let's mix this together. So now everything is mixed, and last we're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. So let's measure 1 cup. So here's 1 cup of chocolate chips, and I'm going to add most of them, but reserve some for sprinkling on top. So add chocolate chips, and I'm saving a little bit for the top of the bread. And let's mix. So all the ingredients are now mixed together. So for baking the bread, I'm going to use a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, and I'm going to spray the inside of the pan with a non-stick cooking spray. So just spray everywhere, the side and the bottom, so the bread doesn't stick to the pan. And now let's put the batter for the banana bread in a loaf pan. And let's smooth out the top. And put the rest of chocolate chips on top. So now the chocolate chip banana bread is ready for baking, and I'm going to put it at a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the banana bread has finished baking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious banana bread. Let me take it out of the oven. That looks amazing. Look how big, delicious it is, and full of chocolate chips. Now let it stand for at least 15 minutes so it cools down, because if you slice it while it's too hot, it can fall apart. So let it cool down, and then we'll come back and slice it and try it. Now the banana bread is cooled down, and I moved it out of the loaf pan, and I'm so excited about trying it. Let me slice it. Let's see what's inside. So delicious. Perfectly cooked banana bread. It looks amazing. Now let's try it. Look at these delicious, moist banana bread slices full of chocolate chips. So good. Let's try it. Mmm. So good. It tastes as good as it looks. This is amazing. You're going to love this chocolate chip banana bread. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!